Hello everyone and welcome back to Taproom Tuesdays with Jay. I'm excited to announce our very first in-person event since COVID has happened. We are doing a charity chili cook-off on Sunday, April 4th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can find those ticket links on our social media sites. If you want to get pre-registered tickets, we'll also be selling some tickets at the door. They're going to go for $30. And what that will get you is 2 beers, an OUB pub glass, so a 16.9 ounce OUB pub glass, and then all the chili you can eat. What we're doing is $5 of every ticket will go into a pot, and whoever wins the chili cook-off will get to take that money and donate it to the charity of their choice. Oakland United's going to match those donations from the ticket sales. So one awesome, outstanding charity here local will get a nice little boost come Easter. We're going to be playing for such charities as Oakland Animal Shelter. We're doing food bank from Contra Costa, Solano counties, the Elizabeth House, Oakland Firefighters, Random Acts, and a couple of more. So we really hope for you to join us for that. Really excited to be doing that. Again, that's Sunday, April 4th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. As always, see you later and drink more beer.